Today I'm going to show you how to properly cite an image you found while doing a search on Google. I will begin by searching for the word sunflower. You may see many different options come up. If you were to copy the URL, notice that the beginning of the site address is google.com/search. This would not be the correct site because that is not the site of the image you have chosen. Instead, that is a link to the search you've done. I will show you how to find the correct website for an image of your choice. Let's say I like this second flower. I will click on it and it opens up a little bigger on the right of my screen. Then I will click where it says Visit. See? Google has directed me to the website where that image is hosted. Now you can copy and paste the website address into a citation tool of your choice. My favorite is Formatically. Paste the correct website address for the image there. Make sure it says Website and click Cite. Now, it has generated a correctly formatted citation for the image. Notice that the name is blank. That is because we do not know the name of the photographer. You can edit that by removing the word name or by entering the correct name of the photographer if it is known. Click Save and Close. And now you can click and copy this into your Works Cited page. And that's it.